We are Casey and Savannah, and we've been best friends for over 11 years. 1 year ago, we left the city to live off-grid and start our journey to a more self-sufficient life. We bought 5 acres of raw land and have been building our homestead ever since. Follow along as we head into year 2 of building an off-grid homestead from the ground up.
We are moving into some real luxury. We got a dishwasher last week, and this week, I'll show you what we got. That's right. What is that? A portable
Washer.
Yes.
We also don't have this yet, but we did buy a dryer to go with this. But we're gonna hang up a clothing line to dry things, and we just got this yesterday, but I just want to put clothes in it right now. So it's portable, so we're just gonna set it up right here just to you know, try it out, do some laundry. But it is going to live in our bathroom long term.
I received both of these items as birthday presents. It's very exciting because we have to spend a lot of money going to the laundromat.
A lot of money.
We definitely intended on having full-size regular washer and dryers, and maybe one day we will. But that's just going to be something that's way further down the road, and we're just tired of having to lug our stuff into town about 45 minutes away. So this is going to be like fantastic.
So this also is actually not the smallest one you can get. As you can see, I mean, it's not small. I mean, it's not going to do what a full load you would think a full load is, but I think we're gonna be able to fit a good amount of stuff in here, but we're gonna take it out and see.
Wow, that is a lot bigger.
I mean, it's pretty big. I mean, it's, you know, not as big as the one we had before, but that ain't, you know, I'm gonna be able to fit some stuff.
Like, I'm not gonna be able to put like 65 towels in there, but that's great.
Yeah.
We are just going to need to be better about doing our laundry more frequently instead of doing what we do right now, which is do like 2 weeks at a time. This is very exciting. 21st century, guys.
Whoa.
In case anyone was confused, because we went off grid, that might confuse you into thinking that we don't like convenience, but we do. We do like convenience. There's totally non-electric ways to do your laundry, but you kind of have to know what your strengths are, and I'm pretty sure I have undiagnosed ADHD, and keeping up with things like dishes and laundry, I'm either like really good at doing things like, and I'll hyperfixate on them for a while, or then I won't do something for like a month. So having systems in place that just make your life a little bit easier.
We're down for it.
We're down for it, okay.
All right, now that we have our washer going, which we do, it's going right on our porch, I'm about to hang up a clothesline. It's sunny today, thank goodness, and it's actually warmer, so we kind of just scoped out a little spot for it, and I've bought all the stuff. We're gonna have just like a pulley system. I think it's gonna be really simple to set up. Let's hope. So I'm just gonna grab this stuff and let's go out and install it.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden things.
We have done our first load. It's just my laundry. Basically from a week, was able to fit in here.
We're going to show you everything that was in there.
So jeans, a shirt, some shorts, sweatpants, some other thermally
Pants.
and top. Oh, a lot of socks in here. Another shirt, jeans, shorts, pants, leggings, frozen underwear, and a little doggy bandana.
Oh my gosh, it's so
It
cute.
got pretty clean actually. It was really dirty.
Yeah, it was.
I did spray it with
Shout.
Shout, but I washed that in a washing machine at the laundromat and it hasn't gotten clean before. So that's all that fit in there. It's a pretty big, I feel like, significant regular load. And we gotta go hang it up.
Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden.
Picked up some things while we were at Goodwill. This is a pillowcase. And these were kind of expensive for Goodwill, but they're so cute. This one has like a little gold line on it, and there's 3 of those. Casey has even tinier one right here. And then they had them with these, and we just thought they were
So cute.
so cute. We are going to add some of our old decorations to this. We don't have very many left over because a lot of them got in our basement flood that happened a while ago, but we're gonna keep it minimal this year. I feel like, I don't know, we haven't had anything to decorate, you know, last year, so this will be our little place to decorate in the kitchen.
Minimal is much to my, what's the phrase?
Dismay.
Dismay. Much to my dismay. Because I really like Christmas decorations. I mean, who doesn't? But the thing is, it will look so dumb to have these unfinished walls with Christmas decorations on them.
Yeah.
It's just not going to look cool. So next year, I haven't convinced Savannah to decorate on the outside. And honestly, that's just not in the budget to buy a bunch of outside decorations. And the outside kind of looks nuts. So here we are. We're going to decorate our little Christmas kitchen.
I also got this pot holder because we don't have any here. Definitely have some somewhere. But it's Christmassy. Super cute. And we'll just have to bring it out for the holidays every year. Okie dokie, today we are going back to working on our bathhouse, which is really exciting. I think it's probably been like an entire year since we worked on this. I can't remember if we talked about this in another video, but we are on a mission to bring back to the land things that we have to do in town so that we can not have to go to town as much, except for social things. Like, we want more time for social things. So that includes getting like our winter showering situated, because right now we're showering out there. We took showers out there yesterday. It was chilly. But so we really want to get the shower done in here, and we're trying to bring the laundry chore back here too. So the first thing we have to do in here is empty it, because we have been using it as storage. Our toilet is in there. It is our bathhouse after all. So first thing we're gonna do is kind of try to get everything out of there. But the next thing that we have to do, that's kind of like a big hurdle to start before we start putting like our laundry and everything in here, and that is tiling. this is just a little brace that we are putting up just for a little extra sturdiness because we will be taking showers in here and doing laundry. We just really wanted to sturdy the bathroom up, so I'm putting another brace right in the middle, and I think that'll make it real nice. Also, I have a helper. He keeps just sitting right next to me. So now all that's left is lots of tile, the stove, this thing. There was, you know, a whole rack of boxes.
That had to find a home.
Yeah, so we found a home for them.
We found a home for, yeah. I mean, our shed is just getting more and more a hostile environment. But what we really need to do is go through everything, consolidate. We need to do that in that shed and then also our storage unit in town. But how can you do that when you got a million other projects going on?
That shelf that was in here, we totally rebuilt it in the other shed. So now it is, she is right. There's like 2 walkways. But hopefully it won't be like that forever. I mean, it can't be like that forever. But it is like that for now, so.
This is what our bathroom tile is gonna look like.
So this is our chicken tractor, but now it's our temporary bathroom.
So if you're looking for alternative uses for your chicken tractor, temporary storage, bathroom, there you go. It's covered on 2 sides, so I don't think you'd want to keep anything in there that if it got wet would be a problem.
Also, we get a lot of comments about people being very upset that our bathroom is out here and you have to walk from the house, which is not that far. But it's really not that bad. I understand if you live in the city, this would not be ideal, and it would be awesome if we had space in there for a bathroom, but for us, it's really just not that bad. Like, you come out here, if it's cold, you're only out here for a short amount of time, you run back inside. We have headlamps, we have plans to have more lights out here. Yeah, it's really just not that big of a deal for us.
If you're ever feeling alone,
Oh my gosh.
excuse our backyard mess. I'm gonna zoom all the way out so you can see. The chicken tractor kind of cuts it off, but you can see this is how close or how far depending on your perspective. Savannah's gonna count how many steps it takes.
25.
It's not bad, guys.
Not bad.
I hate this vacuum. It has a really good suction power. So I have the Dyson stick vacuum. It's literally like 7 or more years old. And it's going strong. And I love it. And I love that for vacuuming the floors. I like this to have like a lot of suction power to just like this is terrible to like to sweep a floor or like to vacuum a floor with. They have a floor attachment. I don't even use it. I hate it for that. But it has just got this suction of like a wet dry vac, like a really good suction. But this little filter twists on, but it falls out so easily. Drives me nuts. I did order a new one, so I'm hoping that'll maybe work. But it's like a $75 vacuum, and you know, I think it's probably on sale right now.
What's going on?
Say what just happened?
I just recorded an entire tour of our bathroom explaining exactly what we're doing in here. And then Casey
At the end.
stopped talking to me at the end And I was like, what's going on? And she said, I don't think anything was recording. So let's do the tour again. This is our bathhouse, and it is an 8x8 on the outside. So inside it's about 60 square feet, and we recently decided that we were going to be putting a mini washer and dryer in here, so our layout has kind of changed, and I'm just going to show you what the plans are. So over here, there is going to be like a built-in sink with a mirror right here. Right now there's a window, and we had planned on putting a window here and like having a plant here, but because of the new addition of the washer and dryer, we're going to take this window back out and put, you know, board it back up, and this is just going to be a wall. The washer and dryer are going to be here. They're going to, hopefully we'll kind of like build it in a kind of like a little cabinet so that you don't just stare at them, and that'll kind of give you a little privacy over here. This is where the toilet would be. So that's going to be a vermicomposting toilet, which is not what we have right now. Oh my gosh, Hazel. And we will put our composting toilet there now until we set up the vermicomposting toilet. Right here, we're going to have a teeny tiny wood stove. It's the one we originally had in our house, but it was too small, and that's where it's going. It's very small. Then over here, this area is going to be our shower. We have a stock tank that we got for free and had originally thought we would put here for the shower, but it's a little long, so we aren't exactly sure what we're doing for the bottom of the shower. But that will be here, and then the shower head will be here. And then over here we'll have some kind of storage or space for plants or something. We're not exactly sure what yet, but we still have a lot to do because these, like, this is open up here, and we are going to close that off, and we're going to reinstall these windows so they open to the inside. Right now they open outward. So we still have a lot of stuff to do outside, but it's warmed up, and is it recording?
Yes.
We decided it was now or never, now or we wait till spring to lay our tile down. So that is the plan, but we're not going to do that this week. We got it all ready, cleaned out. Casey swept it
Oh, God.
really good. And maybe tomorrow we'll be working on the next step, which is not tiling, but come back next week and maybe we will have something pretty going on in here. Not sure.